Okay, the icon that I will be talking about, the second one, which is it's called uluru or ayers rock. Ayers rock or uluru. Make sure that you familiarize yourself with it, which is a profile of it. It's a picture of a rock. It's a rock picture. Then the moment you see the big thing, you know that it's a ayers rock. Okay, so ayers rock, where does it found? It is found in Australia. It's ayers rock. It is found in a city that is called Northern Territory. So it's found in a country, Australia, in a city that is called Northern Territory, and the continent of Australia. Okay, so make sure that you understand the country and continents, they are both the same, and the type of attraction, it's natural. So there is no human involvement in making this rock. This rock, it's a natural nature rock. It was made by nature. So the tourist profile that visit the ayers rock, which is other tourists that are interested in learning more about the Australian culture, in terms of culture, which is the aboriginal, meaning that people of the past. Aboriginal, the people of the past that were living before, in the past. Okay, so type of tourist and those who are interested in eco-tourist and nature lovers, people who love nature, those are the kind of tourist profile that visit the ayers rock. So to go more on the why this ayers rock, it's an icon. It's an icon because it's a rock that is very unique on its kind, which is something that we're not used to, something like Kalekanga. And this rock is very huge in terms of the size, and a round rock. It's a round rock, so the other part of it is underground. So the formation of it, there is a composed, meaning that formation of it in terms of the making of the rock, composed of the hard, it's hard, and it's a red sandstone. So there is a sandstone in this rock. It was made by the hard red sandstone. So this rock is also known as the island mountain. The other name that is used to call this rock, it's called the Iceland mountain. Iceland mountain, and it's the two-third of the rock. So the other part of the rock, it's like 5 kilometers of the rock, it's buried underground. So this is the rock, the top of it, then there is other part underneath that is 5 kilometers. Okay, so the inside of the rock in terms of the description, so ayers rock, as we also know, is called uluru. So it lies in the side of uluru. It's close to the national park there in Australia, so it lies on that side. So the national park, uluru, is in the side of the northern city of Australia, which is in the side of the northern city of Australia. So the park of the Uluru Katutura National Park is named after Uluru. So this national park is named after this rock, Uluru. So it's a single rock dome, and Katutura, a range of rocks. So Katutura, it's like different range of rocks. Indeed. So this rock, it is believed that it was formed through erosion. um, Erosions, like the upper layer of the soil is being eroded. So it is believed it's over 500 years ago that this erosion took place, and there was uluru that was discovered. It is the most spectacular in terms of its beauty and in terms of the natural landmark in Australia. So it's very unique, something that is unique. So the area, it's spiritual sect, meaning that it's a place that is respected a lot for praying. Spiritual sect. Um, it's a place that is respected a lot for church. It's way that is respected, meaningful to the people of Australia, and the ancient place. So ancient place of the past. For Aborigine. So Aborigine are the people of Australia that first came to Australia, that they were staying there. So they consider, so what is considered disrespectful, it's when the tourist start climbing this rock. So it is not right. It's a negative thing to ride to do if you climb this rock. So these are the things that are asked. What can be negative that the tourist can do? What is the role of the rock? It's important to the people, how it was formed, and where it is found. So those are the things that you consider when you're reading. So uluru. So if you see that the uluru, in terms of the color of it, there is red on it. So the red color come from the iron minerals. So it is believed that the red color that we have on the uluru that you see here, it comes from the mineral rock that are watered by water. So mineral rock that are watered by water and oxygen. So the color of it is similar to iron rusting. So you see when there is like something that is getting older now, something like a steel that is getting older. So there's the color of it is similar to that. So when there is a sunset, it is seems as the rock is what is changing color. Then color too, from red to what to blue. So when it's about the sun is going up, then the color changes from red to